Starting around 19 October 2023, Bitcoin money basically is exchanging at $227.36 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.14% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, by and large, in spite of prevalent thinking. BCH in a real sense has an extremely all-out market cap of $4,441,596,789, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $145,029,851 in a very huge manner. This by and large makes Bitcoin money, BCH, extremely positioning at 17 in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Bitcoin money cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitcoin money fundamentally be by and large worth in 2023, which is very critical. Is Bitcoin money in every way that really matters, wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Will BCH cost most certainly outperform its record-breaking high, which basically is very critical. These basically are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future in every way that really matters as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost fundamentally is supposed to commonly cross a really normal value level of $259.46, the normal truly least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to basically be $248.26, or so they truly thought. Besides, BCH can explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $285.43 in a very significant manner. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation August 2023. With respect to August 2023, Bitcoin money cost in every practical sense is conjecture to in a real sense arrive at in a real sense the least cost of $214.92, or so they most certainly thought. The BCH cost could by and large arrive at a greatest cost of $241.78, with the fundamentally normal expected cost around $235.06, showing how in every practical sense is Bitcoin money a sort of wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation September 2023. With respect to September 2023, Bitcoin money cost by and large is gauged to truly arrive at an outright most reduced cost of $228.57 in a for the most part significant manner. The BCH cost could by and large arrive at a really most extreme cost of $253.53, with the especially normal expected cost around $239.77, exhibiting that will BCH cost especially outperform its record-breaking high. Bitcoin money, BCH, value figure October 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH, cost for October 2023 may explicitly arrive at a by and large least worth of $235.61, while the sort of most extreme estimated cost especially is around $263.12 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. The very normal cost for BCH in every way that really matters is, all things considered, anticipated to reach $244.56 in October 2023 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin money value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Bitcoin money could truly stretch around $275.35, which for the most part is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 most certainly is $242.94, with an especially normal cost of $251.90, showing that starting around 19 October 2023 Bitcoin money in a real sense is exchanging at $227.36 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.14% in truly most recent 1 hour and in every practical sense, significant way. Bitcoin money value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the very most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could in every practical sense stretch around $285.43, showing how these explicitly are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, which truly is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 especially is $248.26, with a fundamentally normal cost of $259.46 in a quite large manner. Bitcoin money pretty past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto by and large has been truly diminished by 1.31% in its especially current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we truly think about the ongoing business sector cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap basically is likewise down, which sort of is very critical. From truly most recent 7 days, the BCH fundamentally was in every way that really matters, great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.77%, showing how Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023 as per the Bitcoin money gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the BCH cost for the most part is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a genuinely normal value level of $259.46. The normal especially least value worth of Bitcoin money toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $248.26, which certainly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money in a real sense has shown areas of strength for certainly of late, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and essentially put resources into a genuinely significant way explicitly. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the fundamentally current cost and most certainly beyond 30 days cost history, it sort of is seen that Bitcoin money basically has expanded 40.785% in its worth, which really demonstrates the way that the BCH cost could essentially arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $253.53, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $239.77. Showing that will BCH cost in every practical sense outperform its unequaled sort of high in a quite large manner. The especially normal certainly least cost for the month certainly is $130.31, while pretty greatest for the most part normal cost essentially was $134.63 in an extremely significant manner. This infers that this coin certainly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to in every practical sense your arrangement of coins for certainly long haul, which basically is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change explicitly is around 42.03%, and the cost in every way that really matters flowed from a very least for the most part normal cost of $125.38 to by and large greatest certainly normal cost of $134.83 in the for the most part beyond 90 days in an unobtrusive manner. In truly most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money truly has shown a developing pattern which sort of shows that besides BCH can generally arrive at a really greatest value level of $285.43, amazingly. Consequently, we sort of think that comparable pieces of the market fundamentally were very famous at that period.